Early. Come on, Nate.
Corner for Tormenta again. Bodies everywhere, and it's in for Boswa. Tormenta takes the lead and puts Charleston on upset alert.
Really good delivery from Bill Hart. Boswa backtracking, contorts his body, and does a brilliant job of just guiding it to the far post.
24/7 source for engaging soccer talk, including USL All Access Tuesday nights at 7 Eastern. Tormenta pushes forward. Here's the shot towards goal, and he puts it through. Another one back for Tormenta. What a rip from Jamil Roberts. Look at this on the Coca-Cola replay. Quickly retake the free kick. Roberts sees some space. Wham!
Helping out defensively, not a JC Agadu. 5 versus 1. They see the run. Nikakoto cutting in. That's his goal. Yes, it is. Nikakoto with the 3rd goal. Once again, JC, playmaker, holding the play up a little bit, realizes that he's in a 5v1, as Edwin said, and lays a great pass in behind the defensive line. Nikakoto runs onto it and smashes it into the far corner.
Sterling, relatively quiet first half. Can he open the second half with a bang? Yes, he can! Keziah Sterling! What a start to the second half for the home team. The man from England ties it up. Ajay to Sterling. Just wasn't really closed down. It's just one lovely touch to his right. And that's a quality finish. As with the first goals of Dejas. Well, I think he should have done better, but it was a rasping strike from Keziah Sterling.
Akili is there. Cabral is there. Left foot, right foot. Goes right at it. Finds the back of the net. 76th minute. Tormenta gets the goal they've been looking for, and it comes on a set piece directly into the back of the net. Opportunity to take all 3 points. Left foot. Boom! Back of the net. It just gets prettier and prettier every time you see it.
Clock will of course keep ticking as she punts the ball long. Flicked on a couple of times and streaming forwards is Andrews, and this time a cheeky finish from Amy Andrews on the volley to take things to 2-0. Route 1 football from Tormenta, but effective nonetheless. Sydney Martinez with the punt.
Air, cleared by Minnesota's wingback. Oh, and that one got past Sarah Fuller, and Tormenta has taken a 2-1 lead. I think that might have been Nivey again. Yeah, looks like number 10. Nivey with the finish. Just a great finish there. The clearance doesn't make it out far enough up. And at the top of the 18 sits Nivey, and what a great finish side netting.
He said it's a big call, but if Ian sees something and believes in something, he won't be afraid to try it. Here's Sterling, plenty of space on the far side! The substitute's the one to make the impact! Jamil
championship at Marshall. There's good reason why this is why he comes on late. The magic then, the magic now. How's the take first off? Watch the laces, leaning to your right, head down. As you come down across your body, he's still able to produce enough spin and power to bring this thing to the near post. It's the most difficult.